Okay, how to use a mat cutter. So the first thing, ruler, pencil, artwork, and the tag board. First thing is to clean your ruler. Just lose the shirt. You could use paper towel, but you don't want to, and I've done this so many times, I've actually used a dirty ruler and messed up my artwork. So let's see if we can see this on here. Yeah. So you probably don't want this, no. Right? So we only want to measure what we want in side of the mat, right? And this is practice, but if you like it, you can use it. But this is a real mat board, okay? And y'all can, I don't know if you can see the difference, but you can definitely feel the difference. Okay, can y'all see how different this is? Flimsy. This is real mat board. This is really expensive.
Is there also black?
There is, yeah. Okay, so what we want to do is we need a piece of scratch paper. Okay, and I like to actually draw a picture. Okay, can y'all see that? The drawing?
Yes, barely. Yes.
Okay, so the long side, we have to measure that. In this case, it's going to be about 15. So I'm going to write 15 here. And there's a reason you have to write it down, because if you're like me, you'll get confused. And then Mason, do you want, how far up do you want? Do you want it here? Or do you want it at the end of the paper? Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. So then I'm going to measure from here to here. And that is 10 and a half. Okay, so we can put the artwork away for now. And I'm going to write 10 and a half. Okay. So now that's going to be the inside that's going to be cut out. That's the hole. So now we have to figure out how big does this board need to be? Because we have to cut this board first before we use the mat cutter. So you could do 2-inch mats, you could do 3-inch mats, you could do 1.5-inch mats. It's really up to your preference. This one here.
Brenda, is this true?
I don't know. Let's find out. It's a 2.5-inch mat. This one. It's one that Sam did in the other class. Okay. So, do y'all want to just stick with this one? I already forgot what it was. 2.5. Okay. So, if we were to do 2.5, what do you have to add to 15?
2.5 twice, like on one side.
Exactly. Yeah. So that's why it's good to draw a picture, because this is going to be 2.5, and this is going to be 2.5. Okay. So it's going to end up being 15 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 is 20. That's right. Okay. And so if this is 10.5, this is 10.5. We have to add 5 to that, because 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5. Does that make sense? Am I explaining it well enough? You sure? Okay. Because the mat is 2.5 here and 2.5 here. Okay, so what's this number going to be?
15.5.
15.5. That's exactly right.
This is definitely not something that I expected.
Okay, so then you know that this board needs to be cut at 20 by 15.5. So who wants to do it? I'm not doing it because I can't walk. My thing is hurting. It is. You're the one that, yeah. It doesn't even have to be exact, because this is just practice. I'll pause this though, so.